Hey, guess what? It's me again. All right, section 8.3. I'm going to put number 10 and 14 up here on the board for you, and we'll go through those. Here we go. All right, this is problem number 10 and problem number 14 from your 8.3 homework found on page 436. So number 10 starts life as f of x is equal to negative 6x squared plus 24x minus 20. I'm going to go ahead and identify the a and the b right now. Remember, a is the coefficient in front of the squared term, that's a negative 6. B is the coefficient in front of the single x, that would be 24. Now, the directions want a vertex and they want an axis of symmetry. So let's find the axis of symmetry first. Remember, the equation for the axis of symmetry, x is equal to negative b over 2a, you're gonna need that. So I took the a that I just found and the b that I just found and I plugged them into the equation, and lo and behold, the axis of symmetry is x is equal to 2. Now, I know that the vertex is on the axis of symmetry. Therefore, that is the x value of the vertex. The axis of symmetry is the x value of the vertex. Let me do that again. The axis of symmetry is the x value of the vertex. I just need to find the y value. Well, that's easy enough. Y is equal to negative 6. Now put the x value in. You know what x is. Put it in there and find a corresponding value of y. So 2 squared, and then I put the 2 in front of the 24, and I take 20 away from it, and I do some arithmetic, and lo and behold, y is equal to 4. So the vertex is at 2, 4. There's your vertex. There's your axis of symmetry. Remember, axis of symmetry, x value of vertex, one and the same. All right. Now, number 14 gives you this beautiful equation, and it wants to know what the domain and the range is. Okay? Now, the domain, here's a big clue. It's a function, all real numbers. Hey, that was easy. However, the range. I need to find the values of y that this function is going to take on. Now, this parabola does open up. That is a positive 4. That 4 says this thing is opening up. So, I need to find the vertex. That's what it comes down to. You got to find a vertex, okay? So, to do that, once again, this thing opens up. We need the vertex. The vertex is a minimum point. Remember, if the parabola opens up, the vertex is a minimum. So first, x is equal to negative b over 2a. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 24, plug that in, and I get x is equal to negative 3. Now, let's find the y value. Put negative 3 in for x. There's your vertex. If you put negative 3 in for x, you will find that the y is equal to negative 23. And now that you know the vertex is negative 3, negative 23, negative 23 is the slowest, the smallest y value this function will ever take on. So therefore, if I was to draw, you don't have to, but if you were to draw a quick sketch of this, it would look something like that. And boy, is that a terrible picture. Anyway, negative 23. All the y values for that function are going to be greater than or equal to negative 23. So there's your domain and range. So there are problems number 10 and 14 for you.